Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and written the exam properly. So now it's time for our next second semester. So we will start with chapter number 9. Tomorrow never comes. Work must always be done on time. It should never be put off until the next day. So we have to do our work on time and we should never be kept for the next day that I will do it tomorrow. We have to do it on that day itself. Otherwise it will be delayed for many days. So the habit of waiting for tomorrow is a sure sign of laziness. So the habit of waiting for tomorrow. I will do the homework tomorrow. Okay, so you all say no, ma'am, I will do the homework tomorrow definitely, but tomorrow never comes. Like that, it's a sure sign of laziness. There is a popular saying, yesterday is a cancelled check. Yesterday is a cancelled check. We can't do anything with the cancelled check. It's over. Yesterday हो गया. जो हो गया हम उसे चेंज नहीं कर सकते. Tomorrow is a promissory note. So tomorrow is a promissory note. We will say, but होगा कि नहीं होगा, कल हमने ये काम सोचा है पर वो होगा कि नहीं होगा वो हमें पता नहीं है. So tomorrow is a promissory note and today is ready cash. Today आज जो भी आप सोचते हो वो कर सकते हो, आज ही है हमारे पास, कल क्या होने वाला है वो नहीं पता अपन को. So today is a ready cash. So spend wisely. So everything we have to do it today itself. Okay, we don't have to wait for tomorrow. So here a nice story. One fine day, Ganesh approached Shiva and said, "Dad, it is high time for me to get married." So he approached his father and said that, "Dad, it's high time for me to get married. बहुत टाइम हो गया, अब मुझे मैरिज करना है. प्लीज़ फाइंड मी अ ब्राइड एंड अरेंज माई मैरिज. हम मेरे लिए दुल्हन ढूंढो और मुझे मेरी शादी कराओ. आई हैव बीन इंसिस्टिंग फॉर लॉन्ग yet you never take it seriously." So he is insisting his father, but his father is not taking it seriously. Today I want you to give it in writing so that you don't change your mind. It was too difficult for Shiva to answer this question. Okay, so it was very difficult for that what he will say now. So it really put him in a soup. He was in a big thoughts then what I have to say now, because it was not very easy to find suitable match for his elephant headed son. So it's difficult to get a bride for him. So after pondering for a little while, Shiva, so after thinking little bit, he took his son to Mount Kailash and wrote the answer on a hard rock. What did he written on that? And it read, Ganesh, the son of Shiva, will be getting married tomorrow. This his father has written on the rock. And poor Ganesh at that time didn't realize the deception, and that time he didn't thought that yes, his father has written on the rock, that means tomorrow I am going to get married. He didn't thought clearly about that sentence. But the next day, as usual, he found his father engaged in routine activities. So next day also his father is doing his routine activities and he is not thinking about his marriage. And he was really irritated and rushed to Shiva and asked, Dad, what about my marriage? You promised me and wrote it on the rock. I want you to keep it in your and I wanted to keep your word. And Shiva gently took him to the same place and asked him to read what was written on the rock. So he took him to the same place and he make him read the same sentence again. Again, it read, Ganesh, the son of Shiva, will be getting married tomorrow. So that tomorrow never going to come because daily he is going to read the same sentence. Poor Ganesh had no option other than to wait it for tomorrow. So tomorrow is a beautiful escape mechanism and a deadly symptom leading to a path of laziness and irresponsibility. So you should always do your work today itself. Whatever you are thinking that today this I do, you don't have to wait for tomorrow. No, I will do it tomorrow. You have to do it today itself. We are somehow hesitant to act instantaneously. Always we think, but when it comes to doing, we are a little bit very slow in acting instantly. So we have to take care of that and we have to do it the work today itself. Whatever is needed to be done, do it now and don't leave a backlog for tomorrow. So, as I told you that we should not wait for tomorrow. We have to do it today itself. Opportunity and time lost in waiting for tomorrow is lost forever. Okay, so whatever opportunity you get, you have to do it on time. Otherwise, it will be it may be lost if we do it tomorrow. Nothing can substitute them. There is only one life. Enjoy every bit of it. Don't postpone it for tomorrow. How can you be happy tomorrow? You ever thought that tomorrow you will be happy? No. If you are not happy today because out of this moment the next moment is going to be born. If you are happy today, you will be happy tomorrow. If you are not happy today, then how can you expect that tomorrow you will be very happy? This moment is going to become the parent of the next moment. If you are unhappy today, you will be more unhappy tomorrow. And if you postpone for tomorrow, then your today will remain the same as it had been before. And the tomorrow never going to come. We as Indians know how to postpone not only to tomorrow but even to the next life. But if you live here and now, you will move very smoothly into tomorrow without carrying any backlog from today. So everything you have to do it today. If you will do it today, you don't have anything in your mind that kal hame ye karna hai, kal hame ye karna hai. So everything you have to do it today. You will be relaxed for tomorrow. If you are happy today, you are going to be happy tomorrow also. Let every moment be complete unto itself, giving birth to a fresh next moment. Now you have only two options. Either you can be now person or tomorrow person. You have two options. Now you have to decide that you want to be, after hearing all these things, you want to be a now person or you want to be a tomorrow person. As you read this, decide now. It is said that today belongs to us. Today belongs to us only. Yesterday is dead. Yesterday is already over. And tomorrow is not yet born. Who knows what God has in store for us tomorrow? किसको पता भगवान ने कल अपने लिए क्या सोचा है? तो जो भी अपन ने आज के लिए सोचा है वो आज ही करें ना, कल के लिए हम क्यों वेट करें। सक्सेस कम्स टू दोज हु डू देयर वर्क प्रॉम्प्टली। सो सक्सेस उन्हीं के पास आता है जो अपना वर्क टाइम पे और क्विकली कर लेता है। सो सक्सेस कम्स टू दोज हु डू देयर वर्क प्रॉम्प्टली, क्विकली एंड ऑन टाइम। You have heard of the famous French Emperor Napoleon. Do you heard, children? If not, you can Google this name and you can read the details. He lost the Battle of Waterloo only because of his army reinforcement was 5 minutes late to the battlefield. He didn't reach on time. The army didn't reach on time, so because of that they lost the battle. You can miss the train by being just a few minutes. Train is not going to wait for us. That time we are on time, but why can't for our work? Okay, so we have to be on time for everything. It is common to tell ourselves, oh, this thing can be done at any time. ये काम तो हम कभी भी कर सकते हैं, छोड़ दो, कल करते हैं, परसों करते हैं। अगर हमने आज ही कर लिया तो उसका तो टेंशन ही नहीं कल करने का। Yes or no? So you have to do your time on work on time. Well, if it can be done at any time, why not do it now? कभी भी हम कर सकते हैं वो काम, तो आज ही कर लो, अभी कर लो। Yes or no? And if not, and if it is not done now, it will never be done. Time is very precious, and the only way to respect its value is by doing your work on time. Understood? All the works you have to do it on time. If you are regular, you don't have to take tension about that work. Okay? Learn to be on time and to finish your work on time. So this is your explanation part, children. Notes I am going to send soon. Have a nice day.